Flavorful family. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing and delicious lemonade, squash cucumber lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this refreshing and amazing lemonade, squash cucumber lemonade, these are the ingredients. I have granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 cucumber, 1 squash, lemons, water, and ice. This is everything we need. So let's get started. I am ready to prepare my simple syrup. When you make your simple syrup, you end up using less sugar in your lemonades. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. I am going to boil it until the granules of the sugar has dissolved completely, and then I'm going to let it rest until it comes to room temperature. And here I am going to continue with my lemons. These are organic lemons from my garden, from my lemon tree, and here I am ready to get all the delicious and amazing juice. With this little gadget, I don't leave anything behind, believe me. And you could find this little gadget in any supermarket. I'm going to go ahead and put the juice aside. I'm going to continue with my cucumber, and of course I'm going to just leave the skin on. I washed and rinsed really good my cucumber. I'm going to slice up pieces for the decoration of my pitcher and my glass. Look at this. This lemonade really comes out delicious and amazing. I am sure that once you taste it, you are really going to love it. It's really refreshing, especially in this hot weather. I have my squash here. I'm going to go ahead and remove the edges, remove the seed, making sure that I don't remove enough pulp. Look at this. This water really is nice and refreshing, and the benefits the squash has is just amazing. I am sure that once you taste it, you are really going to fall in love with it. Instead of drinking soft drinks, why not make this delicious and refreshing homemade lemonade? And I'm using my NutriBullet. I am going to go ahead, add the squash, some water, and then I am going to blend completely for just a couple minutes. And it really doesn't take too long. I'm gonna go ahead and put it through a sifter, making sure that I get all the fiber out of this delicious juice. Look at this. I am going to help myself and mix it really good until I get all the delicious juice of the squash. Of course, I'm not going to throw away the fiber of the squash. I'm going to add it back into my garden, into the dirt. This is exactly what you don't want in your lemonade. Okay, this is all the juice. I'm gonna put it aside. I'm going to continue with the cucumber. I left the skin on because I really love how the skin looks in this amazing lemonade. You could see the little specks of the green all over the lemonade, and of course all the vitamins are in the skin, so that's why I left the skin on. If you want to remove the skin, it's up to you. But here, let me show you how this looks. It looks amazing. And now I am ready to pour it into the squash juice. I'm gonna add it in here. I'm gonna incorporate it really good. And now I am ready to pour the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to start with the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to bring up all those amazing flavors. The lemon juice. a splash only of the simple syrup. I'm not using the whole cup. And then I'm gonna mix it and add some water. Of course, in the description box, you are going to have all the ingredients. If you liked and loved this video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I would really appreciate it. And now this is completely done. You could really see the little specks of the skin of the cucumber. Look at this. You could really see the little specks of the skin of the cucumber. And of course, I am ready to add it to a pitcher with lots of ice. This is how I enjoy my lemonades at home. And I am sure that once you try it, you are going to continue refreshing yourself with Cooking with Gloria. On my channel, you have a playlist of so many lemonades that you could make at home, that you could enjoy at home with your beautiful family. And here I have my pitcher, and I'm going to add a lot of ice. Of course, I'm going to add some slices of lemon to decorate the pitcher. I am sure that once you prepare this lemonade, you are going to continue making this lemonade every summer. And now I am ready to pour the delicious juice. Look at this. I can't wait to refresh myself. I can't wait to taste it. And like I always say, I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious and refreshing squash cucumber lemonade. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The flavor and the combination, just perfection. And the benefits of the squash and the cucumber, just amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and refreshing lemonade at home with lots of love. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.